Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Vishweshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Bangalore,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's very special program, Fun with Mathematics, which is being organized as a part of Innovation Hub activities. I welcome you all once again. And while this program is continued, there are a few instructions to be followed by the participants. Please keep your video and audio mute. If you have any question to the speaker, I request you to please type in the chat box, and that questions will be taken during the question and answer session post the interaction with the speaker. We will shortly share with you a feedback form. Please fill this feedback form after the session gets over and share with us. Your feedback is very valuable. With this, I request our director, Srimati K.A. Sadhana, to present the welcome address.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your voice is echoing and also your voice is breathing a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you, Ms. Jyoti, for the introduction. Good evening and a warm welcome to all for today's workshop on Fun with Mathematics, organized specially for girl students by Vishweshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. And I'm really happy to see so many girls who have joined for this workshop. It's an overwhelming response. My only request to all of you would be that please remain silent and try to attend this workshop successfully. If you have any queries, please don't unmute your mics. You can type in your questions in the chat box. Reserve your right to think, for even to think wrongly is better than not to think at all. This is a quote from Hypatia of Alexandria in Greece, who was the first woman who made an invaluable contribution to mathematics by teaching and inspiring her female contemporaries. Hypatia was the daughter of Theon, a renowned mathematician of Alexandria in Greece. Mathematicians all over the world revere her commentaries on Arithmetica and Conics of Apollonius and description of the early hydrometer. UNESCO's report, only 35% of STEM students in higher education are girls. The aim of this workshop is to...
Yes, ma'am, it's echoing a lot.
No, girls, you will have to please mute your mic. I've already told you that please mute your mics. And if you want to say anything, please type in only your chat box. Once you mute your mic, all the problems will be solved. So let me continue. So the aim of this workshop is to promote more girls to take up a career in STEM field. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Generally, students are afraid of mathematics.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for disturbing.
Now, Anand, is it okay? Everything is fine, or is there any problem?
No, ma'am, it's clear for me.
Same.
Your voice is okay, madam.
Only
Madam, okay.
No, again, I'm requesting all the participants. I think you should not talk at any cost.
Ma'am,
You have to
I'm
only
able
type
to
in.
hear a lot of beeping. Ma'am, I'm able to hear a lot of beeping sound.
Ma'am, now we can't hear you.
Ma'am, you're on mute. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Ma'am, still
Ma'am, you're not
on
audible.
mute.
Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you're not audible. You seem to be on
Sadhana,
mute.
madam, can you please unmute yourself?
Okay. Yeah, now you can hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yeah, so the aim of this workshop is to learn math the fun way. So math is everywhere, all around us. There is math, but generally we tend not to see it. It is in the objects we create, in the works of art we admire. Although we may notice that mathematics is also present in the nature around us. It is in the landscapes, plants, animals, including human species. From all the activities which you do in the at home, and also go in shopping or packing things in boxes or planning a journey, or even in the buildings all around you, there is math. The more you look, the more you will see. Some of the activities which you can see, even morning as soon as you wake up, you brush your teeth. There is math because you have to put some particular quantity of paste into this thing. You cannot simply empty the full bottle, full tube. And if you have to bake a cake also, you will have to math is involved because there is some quantity involved. If you have to measure your height, math is there. If you have to measure your weight, math is there. So math is there everywhere, but we may not notice it, but it is all around us. Even in the Japanese ancient art of origami, there is math. So as I told you, the aim of this workshop is to learn math the fun way and drive away the fear in mathematics which generally students have got. So for conducting this workshop, we have with us Professor B.S.S. Shastri, who's known for communicating mathematics in a fun way. I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to Professor Shastri, who was kind enough to accept our invitation and conduct this workshop. A warm welcome to you, Professor Shastri. We are really happy to have you with us for this workshop. I would also like to welcome all the participants who have joined us, teachers, parents, and also my colleagues at VITM who have joined us for this workshop. I hope you enjoy this workshop and have fun with mathematics. Thank you. Over to Ms. Jyoti.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot.
Thank you very much, madam, for the welcome address. Dear participants, as you are aware that this specific activity of fun with mathematics is organized as a part of Innovation Hub activities. There may be a few of you who are not aware of Innovation Hub. So I have a very small introduction about this Innovation Hub. So Innovation Hub is a setup that facilitates the members to work on their novel and creative ideas, thus helping them inculcate the spirit of inquisitiveness and inquiry. We have different components of this Innovation Hub, and such as break and remake, build from scrap, idea box, startup activities, innovation resource center, robotics, and 3D printing. There are a number of startup activities as a part of each one of these sections that I have mentioned. As you can see, this is the Idea Lab that the children are working on different activities based on the build from scrap. Similarly, on electronics, we have a separate section, and there are some basic activities. Once the child enters the lab, they are being introduced to the fundamentals of electronics through these activities. Similarly, the bioscience, physics, mathematics, chemistry, robotics, as well as 3D printing. So these are some of the broad sections which are being provided with lot of focus at this Idea Lab, and children come up with their own novel ideas and they work on them to create something meaningful in form of prototypes or the products. So I invite you all to be part of this Innovation Hub by taking up the membership of this lab, which is by paying a very, very nominal fee. And the details about that can be found from our website www.vismuseum.gov.in. So with this brief introduction about the Innovation Hub, I take this opportunity to introduce the expert for today's event, Fun with Mathematics, which is being taken by Shri V.S.S. Shastri, a very renowned mathematics communicator. A small bio about Sir Shastri sir. V.S.S. Shastri ji is a renowned mathematics communicator who lives in Kolar, which is situated in Karnataka. He has conducted more than 700 workshops during the past 3 decades. He is also an origamist and has obtained Limca Books of Record in 2011 for origami sculptor. He employs origami folds to explain the concepts of mathematics in simple and lucid manner. His book, Origami Fun and Mathematics, published by Vigyan Prasad, has seen several reprints and is frequently referred for mathematics lab activities. He is the author of 26 books on mathematics and science popularization. He was given the Vision Award by the Government of Karnataka in 2011. With this brief introduction to Shri V.S.S. Shastri ji, I request him to conduct this session. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. It is afternoon, here.
Good
And I
afternoon,
suppose in
sir.
all over India, it is
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's right.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Let's just start.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, since
Good
2 years,
afternoon, sir.
this pandemic, since these 2 years in pandemic, the children studied with webinars. So always, there is one webinar or the other. And I am sure that, you would have attended so many kind of webinars and they would have eaten your heads, isn't it? You don't like, mathematics, being told, or taught, in a webinar. So, but don't worry, I am not doing any such kind of a thing, here. What I do here is something straight. So I just take you a journey into the ordinary objects, with the girl students, what you encounter in your daily life. So with those things, whether there is an element of mathematics, in it. And I assure you that there will not be any kind of a calculations or there will not be any kind of a question answer. For example, I will not ask you any problem. I will not eat your heads. So be happy and enjoy, this program. So I see so many, young faces, here. So there is Yael Zohani and Adya Kanchan and also Hansika Fedora, Sadhana Ji. So many names, I am just saying. What is in the name, anyway? And also Gauri Santosh Kugali and also Divya Abhilash, Hasini, Harshita Kajuru. So many names, beautiful names, are here. What is, in the name? So let us start, with some kind of a longest name, possible. So what I see here is Adya Sri Krishna. So let us see what that, Adya Sri Krishna, means, in mathematics. Whether there is some kind of a mathematics, there, in Adya Sri Krishna. So I will just write, Adya Sri Krishna. You should also, write, that name, here, there, in your paper. Adya Sri Krishna. Please write. So I am starting, writing, here. This is Adya Sri Krishna. This is the name of the participant which I have seen, just now. Okay. This is Adya Sri Krishna. Okay. What I do now is what we do, in mathematics. We just count, We
Count the
number of
letters.
letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 letters, here. Let us write it out. 15. So 15 letters are there, in this Adya Shri Krishna. Okay. So in 15, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes. E, V, E, N. 7. Now in 7, how many letters are there? Let us count. 1,
5.
2, 3,
Five.
4, 5. That is 5. Again in 5, how many letters are there?
4.
2,
Four.
3, 4. 4, F, O, U, R.
4.
This 4,
Again.
please keep it, in mind. I will take, another name. I will take another name. Or write your own names and repeat, these things. I am taking, here Pranati Reddy. Yeah. Pranati Reddy. Pranati Reddy. This is the name, I am seeing it, here. I will start, doing the same exercise. You can write, this name or your own names and start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12. 12. So 12 are the letters, in Pranati Reddy. So in this 12, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
In this 6, how many are there?
3.
3.
3.
C, H, R, E, E. How many letters?
5.
F, I, V, E. How many letters? 4.
4.
U, R. See, we came to 4. You
And
take
the 4
any
letters.
name. Any name. Do this kind of an exercise. You will always end up, with 4. You want to try another one? Let us try it.
Should we do in color paper?
Okay, let us see, the longest capital's name in India. What is it? Thiruvananthapuram, isn't it? Thiruvananthapuram is the longest name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us write out that. Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram.
Sir, should we write it?
Please mute.
Thiruvananthapuram. This is the longest name of a capital city, in India. Thiruvananthapuram. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 letters are there. Let us write it. 17. So there are 17 letters in Thiruvananthapuram. So in 17, how many letters are there? 1,
9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many letters?
9 has 4 letters.
3, 4. See?
4.
We came to that.
4.
4. All letters in any English language, you can do this kind of an exercise, including your names, your friends' names, or parents' names. You always, end up with 4. Is it not strange? This is the mathematics, names. When you spell it in English.
So your voice is echoing.
Why it happens, Why it happens? I am not going to answer that. That, you have to find it, yourself. So the fun part is that in any kind of a name, you always end up with 4. Okay. So this is the kind of a starting point we have. I think, you have understood, how to calculate, go for the mathematical procedures, like this. These are all, the counting, etc. This is the mathematical procedure. So, see, we are always ending, with 4. Okay, let us go, for another.
Sir, can I?
And I hope you are ready, with paper and pen. Okay, before that, I see, all you girls, with sometimes things are common, with you. For example, many of you, are having, this bindi. Many of you, are having, these bangles. These are the things, you are using. Bindi you use, bangles you use, isn't it? Okay. And then you are also familiar with, with something day to day. Your mother, for example, early morning,
Hansika, can you
she wants to
mute?
involve you, in the chores. So she wakes you up. So it is time, you have to get up. Then you go outside. Make, some kind of a jhadu, etc. Then put some rangoli. Isn't it? So rangoli is also a part and parcel of your life. That is alpana. Rangoli. Or kollam. It is also called as kollam. Also called as alpana. Usually this is done in front of people. This is the part and parcel of a girl's life. Okay, next. What is again in another part and parcel? Part and parcel of girl's life is also, this. What is this? This is
A clock.
the watch.
A clock.
In every house, you have a watch like this. In fact, your mother, every time she remains, looking at the watch. It is time for the webinar. It is time for the tiffin. It is time for sleeping. Everything. So let us also find out what is the mathematics in a bindi, in a bangle, in a watch, and also usually you are also having paper with you. Let us also talk about the paper and the mathematics in it. Okay, let us start. Let us start with this watch. So this is the kind of a watch your people have with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? You will be seeing this every day. You will be seeing this every day. You will be seeing this. There are some beautiful mathematical relationships here. So what is it I am talking about? You are seeing it, this is 12 here. Yes. Now let us see. What is this 11 and 12? 11 and 1 is 12. 10 and 2, 12. 9 and 3, add together, it is 12. 8 and 4, 12. 7 and 5, again 12. Okay, let us say. What about this one? Leave apart 12 and 1. What about this? 11 and 2, 13. 10 and 3, 13. 9 and 4, 13. 8 and 5, 13. 7 and 6, 13. Like this, you can go on, group them, into very many things. Let us also, say this. 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 4, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. How many combinations, you can go on, making like this, so that you will get a single addition. Did you see the kind of a combinations? So many combinations, you can just, make it. So I will also show you another one. Of course, it is not at all interactive because, there are more than 250 students. So if I were to open up, this, there will be some kind of a chaos. So I cannot do that. Then go on trying, this. Go on trying. You will see lots and lots of relationships, like that. Okay, this is the mathematics, in a clock phase. The numbers, what we are having, that is the clock phase. So let us see other things. So this is the kind of a rangoli, usually, it is done. Don't you think this is the rangoli, being put? And also another common thing, being put is this one. This is the simple one. Another rangoli is this one. So what is the kind of a mathematics I am speaking about, in rangoli? Let us start from the simple thing. So this is the simplest rangoli. This is the simplest rangoli. So in mathematics, what we do? In mathematics, we just count. So in your names, what we did? We just counted. Here also we have to count. What are the things, that are there, to count? How about, this one? Number of bindis, here. Dots, you can count. Next, what is there to count? when you observe, very closely, there are lines, like this, isn't it? And these lines, create certain regions. For example, this is the region. This is a region. This is a region enclosed with lines. This is a region. This is a region. So there are regions here. There are regions. Regions means, space. That's all. Next, what all the other things are there? There are cuts. It is cut here. Another cut. Another cut. Another cut. Lines, cut. So there are cuts. Next, what are the other things are there? There are lines. For example, this is a line. This is another line. This is another one. Here from this point to this point, this cut to this cut, another line, another line, another line, another line. So there are lines. So these are the things that can be counted. So let us see what happens. How many regions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regions are there. Let us put it. 5 regions. How many cuts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cuts are there. 4. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. There is a beautiful relationship. See, regions are 5, cuts are 4, lines are 8. It is 5 plus 4 equal to 8 plus 1. What is this 5? Number of regions plus number of cuts is equal to number of lines plus 1. It is true, here, whether it is true, for something else. Remember this formula. R plus C is equal to L plus 1. Please write down. So let us see. Let us take this Rangoli. This is the Rangoli. Here also there are regions. What are the regions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
13 regions, sir.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many regions? How to draw this? How to draw this? Shall I show you how to draw this? Okay, I will show you.
Yes, sir.
Just, take this. This is what, your mothers do. Yes. That's all. Is it not easy?
Yes, it's it.
Try to draw it. I will show you again. I will show you again.
Sir, it's just like a box, but you just have to add the circles.
See this? It is easy, isn't it? So it is the same thing, what I have, here. Okay, from here, itself, we shall see what are the things. How many regions are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 regions are there. So let us write down. Number of regions 17. How many lines are there? Okay, I will use this itself. Okay. How many lines are there? How many lines? This is one line. You start from cuts, then it will be easy. How many cuts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cuts are there. 16 cuts. So how many lines are there? So let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Next. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 lines are there. So what was the formula? Number of regions plus number of cuts is equal to number of lines plus 1. See how many regions are there? 17. How many cuts? 16. Number
Sir,
of
why do
lines?
we have to write 1?
I will tell you why. 32 plus 1. See, this formula I know tallies. This formula, now somebody is asking why we have to write 1. This formula was invented by one mathematician called Euler. E-U-L-E-R. Euler. Where was he, Euler? He was a German. Of course, in those days, Germany was not there. It was called as Prussia. It was Prussia. Prussia included certain parts of Sweden also, Ukraine also, Russia also it included. This is called the old kingdom of Prussia. Okay, Euler was his name, and he found this formula. Was he conversant with Rangoli? No, there is no Rangoli in Sweden. There is no Rangoli in Prussia. He invented for something else, but fortunately, it is directly applicable for this Rangoli. Do you know, if you put, in Wikipedia, Euler, do you know what they say? He invented graph theory. Graph theory. G-R-A-P-H theory. How strange it is, you see. This graph is nothing but your own Alpana. This graph is nothing but your Rangoli. This graph is nothing but your column. See, this kind of a relationship. I know beautifully, few people have drawn it and they are showing it to me. That's good. Okay, well, what about this one? What about this one? What about this one? Usually this is the easiest, with the dots, you go on doing it. You first make, 2 dots, next, 4 dots, next 5 dots, next 4 dots, 3 dots, and then 2 dots, go on joining with straight lines. This is the easiest, type of Rangoli. What about here? Number of lines, number of regions. These are regions. Next cuts. And next, lines. So how many regions are there? Let us find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So regions are 12. How many cuts are there? 1. Let us start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sanjana here.
You should not speak in the middle. Mute all. Because if everybody were to start speaking, it will be over. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11. Next. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and then in the center, 32. In the center also there is a cut. Okay, next, how many lines are there? Start from, outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 lines are there. Even here, R plus C equal to L plus 1. See, mathematically, we may call it an rangoli, alpana, or something else, column, etc. These are graphs. Actually, your mothers and also you will be decorating your house on any occasion or daily only with something called graph. And there is a graph theory, in mathematics. And first formula for graph theory is this: number of regions plus number of cuts. They don't call it as cuts. They say number of arcs, number of junctions, and number of lines, etc. Okay, whatever it is this. And Euler was the person. You should remember, that. Okay, was it good? Was it interesting? So next time when you put in a rangoli, please remember, do not count, by putting in a rangoli. After doing the rangoli of any kind, any large rangoli or small rangoli, this is the mathematics, involved, inside. Okay? Okay, now let us go. So you're all familiar, I told you, with, I know, the watch, or every home, has a kind of a watch, the dial has, numbers, etc. And here, you please see this, what I have done. Here what I have is similar to, some kind of a watch, but there are some kind of a things, here. There is a woolen thread. Also, look here. There is no 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. It looks like a watch dial, but it is not watch. There are no 11 and 12. Plus, there is a 0, here. Again, you please see and copy it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have to tell you, as students, you have to mug up, the tables, isn't it? Multiplication tables. And your mothers, will not leave you. Every day, they will sit, in front of you and ask you, the tables. What are those tables? These are the two tables. Table of 3. 4 tables. 5 tables. 6 table. 7 table. 8 table. 9 tables. So these are all the tables. So let us see what happens. What you have to do is, you have to write down, this one. And then take a pen, recite these tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, etc., etc., etc. So let us try to do it. Now I have this woolen, with me. You need not do it.
Sir?
You can use, pen and draw the lines. So let us start. 2 1s are. Let us start.
Then
2
what
1s are
should
2.
we do?
2 1s are, put lines. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 10 means, 0. Again, 12. 2 6 are 12. So 2 7s is 14. Look what we got. We got a pentagon. We got a pentagon. So let us see what happens, when we take 3s are. Yeah. Let us start from 3. Let us start from 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Next, it is 12, 3 fours are 12. Next, it is 15. Next, it is 18. Next, it is 21. Next, it is 24. Next, it is 27. And then 30. Look at the pattern.
A star kind of a thing.
Yes, it is a star. It is a star.
Amazing.
It is a star, isn't it?
Fabulous.
Let us, okay, please write down again. We shall do it, with 4. Write down again.
Explain me again.
We shall do it with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. Again, it will go on repeating. Look here, it is a pentastar. Is it not great?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us go for the difficult one. It is
Oh,
all
this one
easy.
is so
The
good.
most difficult one is 7, isn't it? So 7 ones are. Let us see what happens with 7 ones are. What happens with 7 ones are? 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are is 14. Next, 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are is 35. Next, it is 42. Next, it is 49. It is 49. Next, it is 56. It is 63. Next, it is 70. Look. So, it is a reverse kind. So, for 3, you got this way. For 7, you are getting the reverse kind. Okay. Now, can you guess what will be for 5 ones are? 5 twos are 0. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. It will be a straight line.
Straight lines.
Straight lines. Excellent.
Do I check?
Excellent.
Because it only has. Sir, it's an oval.
Okay. So the thing is this. These are the beautiful patterns you get with your multiplication tables. So I am using this one. So I have seen you have used these hooks because it will be easy for me to do. You can use lines. In fact, we dealt with this kind of alpana, this rangoli. Every day you can put one rangoli using this kind of a same pattern in front of your houses. Rangolis, have this pattern, or these kind of multiplication tables are nothing but rangoli or graphs. They are Euler's graphs. What about here? The same R plus C is equal to L plus 1, whether it is applicable? Yes, it is applicable. You please check. So daily, when we do this rangoli, please from tomorrow onwards, all of you should remember these tables. Put dots, dots. You need not write 1, 2, 3. Go on doing it with rangoli like this. So you will get beautiful patterns. There are 7 days in a week except one day. What is it? Except Faiza, because it will be a straight line. All other things you can just use. Okay. Okay, let us move on. Another usual thing you see every day, your mother sees every day and reminds you is the calendar. Let us go to the calendar. If you have a calendar at home, it is better that you keep it with you. Or I will show you the calendar. Remember what I do.
Sir, can I bring it?
Yes.
1 minute, sir. I'll just come.
So this is the calendar. This is for the month of June, I have taken. You can take any month. Any month, you can take. Okay? So let us see what is the mathematics, inside it. So it is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. up to 30. Few days, it will be 31. In certain years, it will be 29, in February. Otherwise, it will be only 28. It doesn't matter. But it is arranged, like this, in lines, and also in the horizontally. So I will take a set of 9 numbers. For example, this is a set of 9 numbers. See, this is a set of 9 numbers. I have cut, a portion of thing, like this, because it will be easy. I can take, this set
So I know
or this set. What you can do is, you can make a line like this and then consider. So let us take this. You are having pen and paper anyway. So these are rows. These are columns. Okay. What is 3 plus 4 plus 5? Next, 10 plus 11.
12.
I am not at it. Like this, you have to just count. 3 plus 10 plus 17. It is 30. What about this one? 18 plus 11 plus 3. Simply.
It will be 33.
Wait. 19, 12 and 7.
33.
Divide by 2, you will always get the middle number. For example, this is 20 divided by 2. This is the average 10. What about this one? 18 plus 11 plus 4. Divide by 3. 33 by, okay, divide by 3. You will get, 11. All this put together, divide by 2, average. So you will get, this one. It repeats, everywhere. Everywhere, it just repeats. Not only that, there is something, another strange thing. There is a diagonal here, you see. There is a diagonal here. What are the numbers in diagonal? 7, 15, 23. Here, 21, 15, 9. You add them. 7 plus 15 plus 23 is equal to 9 plus 15 plus 21. Anywhere, it is true. Even here, 6 plus 22 plus 28 is equal to 4 plus 22 plus 30. Everywhere, it is same. So what about here? Here there is no number. This you should not take. Always, every number should be filled up like this. The central number will always be, the average, and always the diagonals will be equal. This is true in the for a set of any kind of thing, like this. This is all true for a set of any 4 numbers. Any 4 numbers, this is also true. The diagonals always, they are same. Okay. Now, I think, you have to go on experimenting this, with different months and a different calendar, different, this kind of a grids, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, etc. Okay, let us come back. What about this? The bindi as well as, the bangle. What is common, in between them? You will always say, this is also a circle. You will say that I know. But very strangely, let us draw. This is bindi. This is bindi. When you draw this, how I can draw? A circle inside. And also a circle outside. There are two circles here. So this is not a circle. This is the space between the circle.
Ma'am, sir, it's a ring.
That's why we call it as a bangle. Usually in your classrooms, teacher will tell you, take a circle. They will take this. No, this is not a circle. Then what is a circle? This is a circle. For any geometrical figure, from inside area must be continuous. There should not be any hole like this. Okay? I will show you another example. For example, this one. This is a rectangle. On the other hand, if I were to make a hole, this is not a rectangle because there is a hole inside. Area must be continuous. For any geometrical figure, area must be continuous. So let us say, take a triangle. This is a triangle, isn't it? This is not a triangle if there is a hole here. This is not at all a triangle. Area must be continuous. There should not be any hole. So a bangle is not a circle, whereas a bindi is definitely a circle. I can give you another example. For example, a donut is not at all a circle. On the other hand, a parota is a circle.
Sir, it is because it's like a
Okay,
ring.
let us
that
go
goes
further. Let us go further.
So what happens if you cover the circle, the space in the bangle,
Then it is a circle. Let us say
and like gift wrap it, like
this is
gift
a
wrap
ring.
it?
This is a ring. When you cover in full, this is a circle.
Sir, if you wrap a bangle in gift wrap, will it be counted as a circle?
Now let us take a paper.
Bangle a ring?
Let us take a paper. Now I will demonstrate to you. Please take a paper. It may be any paper. Because these people have given me a color paper, I will take a color paper. That's all. It need not be a color paper. Okay. So now let us see what can be done with fractions. I will write fractions here. 1 half. 1 is not a fraction. Half. 1 by 4. 1 by 8. 1 by 16. 1 by 32. So here usually people get confused. Which is larger? Usually wrongly people say, because there is 32 here, this is greater than this one. This
No, sir, the largest one is 1.
than this one. This greater than this one, etc. Let us try to find out in a funny way what are these things. So this I have taken. I will fold it in a right angle triangle like this. This is an extra. I will take this out. I will cut it off. Then I will get a square. This is a square. This area, let us consider it as 1. Let us fold it. This is half of it. This is half of that half. This particular thing is half of that half of that half. This is half of that half of that half of that. So now let us cut it off.
How many folds should we do?
Wait. This is half. Keep it aside. I take this half, hold it in half. This is 1/4. Cut. This is 1/4. This is also 1/4. I'll fold it in half. This is 1/8.
It's doubling the whole time. It's doubling every time.
This is also 1/8. This is 1/16.
Sir, the triangles can be doubled till infinite numbers.
This is also 1/16.
1/2 is the greatest.
Now see what I am doing. When you keep the thing like this, how does it look? It looks like an angel fish.
Fish.
Again, you can make another angel fish like this. So you can make 2 angel fishes. Now I will make something else. I will take this half. I'll put like this. This is 1/4. This is 1/8. And then here 1/16. Yes. How does it look? Is it not a bird?
Bird.
Yes, sir.
A bird.
Yes,
Yes,
it is a
sir.
bird, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Now, let us make something else. Yes, one. This one, like this. Yeah. What is this? Ganesha.
Yes, sir.
It is Ganapati. So all with fractions, isn't
Yes,
it? So let us make this also. This one. This. Here. Here. It is a Christmas tree.
Yes, sir.
So you can go on making like this. But each time when you make it, you will remember this one. This is 1/16. 1/16. This is 1/8. 1/4 and half. So it will also demonstrate you when doing all these kind of things. It demonstrates you that 1/16 is the smallest. That is lesser than 1/8, lesser than 1/4, lesser than half.
Sir, there are infinite figures of folds that we can
Definitely,
make in
we
these
can make
triangles.
so many things.
So therefore,
if
there
you
are
were to
infinite number of.
If you were to take 2 colors, like this, you can make almost 16 different types of figures. 16 different types of figures. That is the fun of fractions. Also, take the same fractions. 1, that is the number. Half, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32. So fractions what we can make. Take a paper, fold it in half. This is 1 length. This is half of it, half length. Half length, you please bring it to the middle. Then what happens? This will be 1/4, this will be 1/4. So I will cut it. This is 1/4, 1/4, this is half. What I do is, I push this like this. I hold it, open it up, open, push it inside. So this is the one, this is the half of it. This is the half of that. In fact, I can write it. This is the half. In this half, I will take half. That is 1/4. I will push it in the middle. So this is 1/8, 1/8. I will cut it. Again, I will fold it like this. This is
Pop-up card.
I'll push them. So this is 1/4. I'll take half of it. 1/8. Push it in the middle. 1/16. 1/16. 1/16.
This one is also how you make a pop-up card.
So this is the one. There will be 4 leaves. I'll push them inside. 1, 2.
So when you will
This is
finish
3.
the slide,
This is 4.
pop-up
So now
card.
we have one length, half of it, half of it, half of it, and half of it. What it will be? It will be like this.
A birthday cake.
Staircase.
It's like a palace.
It is a staircase.
Sir, can you do it again?
So everybody asks, what is the use of mathematics? What is the use of fractions? What I have taken, one length, half of it, half, half, and half. So this is the result. This is the result.
Excuse me, sir, can you show me do it again?
So you want me to do it again? Okay, I will do it.
Excuse me, sir, when you will finish this class,
So I will take a paper, hold it in half. I consider this as whole length, that is 1. This is half of it. I'll put it in the middle, that is 1/4. And then 1/4. So this is 1/4. This is 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. This is half. So cut. Cut. Push it inside. Hold it up. Open. Push it inside. Now this is the half. Half of it. That will be 1/4. That is 1/4. This is 1/8. 1/8. So I will cut that 1/8. 1/8. Lift it up. There are 2 leaves here. Push them inside. So this is 1/4. I will take half of it. That will be 1/16. 1/16, and here it will be 1/8. Again cut. Oh, sorry. Push it forward. All the 4 you have to push it forward. Yes. See, this is the result. So you can make lots of fun like this. You need not take these fractions. You can take different fractions. 1/3, 1/9, 1/27 also, you can take. Then there will be 3 cuts, not, 2 cuts. Okay. The last item, I will show you. So what I have here, here is this. In Kannada, it is called as, pagade, or the dice. So it is just, played like this. So do you remember the story, in Mahabharata? So where, Duryodhana.
Yes,
invited,
yes,
the
sir. He
Pandavas
plays that
to
and
dice like this.
with Draupadi. I know.
Yes, yes, yes.
Jua.
Now what I have done is, put
Yes,
numbers
sir.
there.
Did.
So with all these things, put together, what it will be. Write down, these numbers. 6,265. Next. 7,735. Next. 8,291. Next. 5,998. I will also write 6,265. 7,735. 8,291. 5,998. Now you have to total them. It will be difficult, isn't it? But you see how I write down. 28,289. How did I do it? Do you know what I did? I took, this one. I took away, 2, from here. Put that 2, on this side. That is 2, 8, 2, 91 minus 2 is 89. 28,289. Let us do it again. So at random. Write down these numbers. 8,482, 3,687, 1,972, 7,829. Look at this, the third one. Take 7, from this, take 2 from this 72. It will be 7, 0, 1, 9. Put that 2, here. 21,970. You want, this to be verified? Okay, I will show you in a calculator. You can also, do it. Orally, you can do it. Now the question is, why it is so? Why it is so? What the trick, I have made, here. You can also, make it. Now look to this number. It can be any kind of a number. Leaving this apart, okay. Add up, these numbers. 2, 7, 9, it is 18. 8, 8, 2, it is 18. 4, 6, 8, 18. 8, 3, 7, 18. That means to say, any number I write it, 18 I go on adding it. Then this trick, happens. What happens? 20,000 will be added. That is, I will be adding the 2,000 here. 2 has to be taken away from this third digit. Let us try it again. This is the trick. Any number you write. Let us say. This is the number. Any number. Go on adding 18 to it. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. Then when you add this one, 9,495, 4,655, 0,911, 5,848. What will be the total? Told you. This is the third digit. Take away 2. That is 0,902. Add 2 here. 20,909. You can also do it. This is based upon your own grand old decimal system. Any number you can imagine. Let us say A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a 4-digit number. Add 18, 18, 18, 18. So it will be 18 plus A, 18 plus B, 18 plus C, 18 plus D. Then what it will be? Take away 2 from here, add 2 here. That's all. Understand?
Can we do this to any random number?
Any ABCD means random number. Any number. Okay. I will end this session here. Oh, the time.
Sir, can we do this with 3-digit numbers also?
Definitely, you can do it. You can take anything and then do it. Because I have taken this because it is quite familiar. That's all.
Excuse me, sir. I tried it with some numbers. It's
I
not
want to ask.
working for me.
Now I want to ask, how was the session?
Very nice.
Very interesting.
Sir, it was really nice.
It was wonderful.
Interesting.
It was so good,
Another
sir.
question I want to ask.
It was amazing, sir.
Very nice, sir. It was
You
very
It was very interesting.
Lovely, sir.
bored.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
sir, I didn't understand one question.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, how did you get the number trick? I mean the name trick. When you write a name for any name, you got 4 right, sir. How
What
did
is
you get that?
His composite number.
See, my idea was this. For example, Rangoli, your names or any name in English language. What is the mathematics involved inside? I did not put any mathematics there. It is already there.
Breaking, sir.
So what you have to do is this. Go on searching such kind of a mathematics, the things you see. That's all. For example, I have been giving the examples of women's activities or girls' activities. You will be going to the kitchen and helping your own mothers. For example, have you ever thought the geometry of the utensils of a kitchen? How many triangles are there? How many circles are there? How many pyramidal shapes are there? So, such kind of a mathematical thinking you have to do. So, this is what is mathematics about. Mathematics is not just calculation. It is fun when you see outside. When you see the things what you use. Okay? Have a good day. Thank you very much. Now you can ask any questions.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Bye, sir.
How
Thank
do
you,
we do
sir.
that?
Have a nice
Have a
day.
good day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye. Is there a question and answer session, sir? Yes,
So, children, as we have seen today, that the fun about mathematics is nothing but what lies within the hidden patterns. Once we understand the patrons, we understand that there is a lot of beauty and fun in it. So we are very thankful to Shri V.S.S. Shastri for taking such an interactive and interesting, fun-filled session for all of us. So as just like today's program, we do have a number of activities as part of VITM activities, online programs. And right now what you see on the screen is another very interesting app development program. It's an app development course on Android, which is being conducted by VITM in association with IEEE. It's a very, very rare opportunities for the children to take up such a program, to take up such a course. I request you all to please go through the link, registration link, which is provided, and further details are also given
Ma'am, we
on our
can't see
website.
them. There is a gray patch.
Oh, is it? So you can Google our website www, and you can even see www.vismuseum.gov.in. You can also see the link in the chat box. We have shared the feedback form as well as this app development course details over there. So interested students may please go through it and join for this program. We have a very limited number of seats and time for this. So please see to make sure that you attend this. There are not more than 20 seats for this. So we have quite a small slot for this. We may conduct similar app development in future too, but for this, you can go through, and the first come first serve basis, you will get admission to this program. With this, I would like to present, for today's program especially, we have got such a wonderful response from all the girl students. We are very thankful to all the students, parents, teachers, and everyone who has come here and participated and spared so much of time to be part of it. I hope that you will find it quite meaningful, and you will start, getting more interested into this subject. So thank you all the students and other participants for attending this session. I also convey
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I also convey my sincere thanks to our director, Srimati K.A. Sadhana, for being always a guiding force for our programs. So thank you, madam. I'm also conveying my sincere thanks to all my colleagues at VITM who have been supporting